So how many of you are aware about 10x rule, by the way? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Two people know about 10x rule. What about you? Okay. What about rest? You are not aware about 10x? Say yes or no at least. Okay. So I'll explain about 10x rule. See, why 10x rule? Why I'm bringing that 10x rule here? So the thing here is, most of my students, they have some kind of doubt or some kind of you can say they are not so much confident enough that they can find any bug, right? They learn, right? Not only my student, there are lots of people in in the world. They go for any kind of coaching, right? They study from YouTube books and each and everything they did, right? But at the end, when it comes to practical finding of bugs in the real life, they are not able to find a single bug, right? If I'm not wrong, and might be possible you are one among those category, right? So why it's happening to you or somebody or maybe you, right? So the thing here is, let me bring here 10x rule, right? 10x. So for that, just understand two things. Suppose there is a person, right? Let's say Mr. A, and there is another person, Mr. B, right? Mr. B, just I'm cleaning, and Mr. A, A and B, right? And they both are working in a particular company, right? Let's say ABC, and they manufacture some kind of books, right? E-books. Let's say for just for example, they are manufacturer of e-book, right? So both are reporting to a single person, right? Their boss name is, let's say, Aman, in that case. So they both, Mr. A and Mr. B, reports to Aman, right? Now they got a task, right? They are given a task by their boss. Just they need to go and sell out ebooks, right? Mr. A, having good degree of MBA, he's born marketer. He is having marketing kind of mentality and strength in his blood. But Mr. B is not good in marketing, right? He's very very poor at marketing when it comes to marketing. So boss gave them target to sell books, right? 10 books, right? At least sell $1,000 of books, right? Or say rupees, whatever you want. So Mr. A is very very good. So what he will do, he is such kind of person. If he go to 10 people, out of 10, 9 people will buy his product, right? He is very very good in marketing, right? By the way, if you are business owner or want to sell something, you can hire Mr. A. So he's very good in marketing. So if he goes to 10 people, out of 10, 9 people will buy, right? Will buy 9 people will buy his product. So just he can make, let's say, $9, right? $1 each product, just for example. And coming to Mr. B, if he go to if he goes to 10 people, right? If he goes to 10 people, out of 10, only one people will get converted into customer, right? Only one people can buy that product, right? So far story is very simple. Mr. A is earning more. Mr. A is having good skills, that's why he's earning more, right? And Mr. B is not earning more because he is not good in marketing, right? Now relate that thing with your capability. You are someone of Mr. B place, right? Mr. B's place. You're not so intelligent and so good when it comes to bug hunting, right? So let's say you are just earning one or zero, might be in your case currently, but there may be some person, your idol, right? You have seen somebody on Facebook, Instagram, they are doing bug hunting very very you know very much interested in bug hunting, and they are earning lot of money while doing bug hunting. Now if you are starting, right, but the thing here is, those who are doing very good in bug hunting, they already have that much of knowledge, they have already have that much of capability, right? But think of yourself, right? You are just starting now, right? So somebody has to start somewhere, right? Now just you are starting, you need to start now, right? Somebody has to start. So just you are starting, so you just coming into the picture here, like Mr. B. He is not good in marketing, but he just started marketing, right? So now, if what he'll do, he just apply 10x rule, right? If you're not aware about 10x rule, just you can Google about 10x rule. There is a very famous book. Yeah, yeah, you are right. There is a very famous book related to 10x rule. So as per 10x rule, if he is talking to 10 people and out of 10 only one is getting convert, now what he'll do more hard work, right? More hard work. He has to be more mehnati person, right? Hard working person. So instead of going to 10, he'll go to 100 people, 100 customer, right? 100. Now out of 10 only one is converting, right? That means $1, right? So out of 10 one is converting, right? Now if he goes to 100 people, how much he can earn? Imagine, right? 10x into 10, simple. $10, right? $10. Here he is earning $9, and he is overconfident. He just do not want to work hard, but here Mr. B is working hard. He just wanna learn new things. He is pushing himself, right? So that's why at the end he is able to make or earn more point than Mr. A. So that's all about 10x rule. So the long story in short, what I am trying to say here, if you're just starting your bug hunting career, right, don't be nervous, right? Don't be demotivated. Or already, if you are doing bug hunting, don't be demotivated. Even I got my first bounty after, I believe, 6 or 7 months when I started, right? So don't be motivated. You just to be, practice on regular basis. You need to study on regular basis. You just need to work hard, and someday or another, you will you will get what you invested in regards to time. In term of time, you invested your time, you will get return, good return of investment, right? Just you need to start, right? You need to start from now, right? I hope you understood the concept here. 10x rule, little motivating, right? I hope you are just motivated right now. Now, moving ahead, another thing is why you should learn bug hunting. Tell me why you should learn bug hunting. Very first, if you are a student, right? If you are a student, either you like mathematics, either you do not like mathematics, right? In both the case, there are different stream. Either you can go engineering side, you can go for, or you can go a non-technical side. In both the case, if you are interested in bug hunting, you can go ahead and make this particular thing or your career, right? Even if you are good in technical, if you are not good in technical, nothing to do with bug hunting, right? People generally think like, if I am good in mathematics, I have technical capability or mindset, I can only do bug hunting, but that's not the case here. So yeah, if a student, you can go in both the side, right? So at the end you will be having something, right? Even if you're a student, you are not doing any job, at the end you will be having that knowledge, you will be having that bounties. So what you can do, you can just invest, right? Invest those money which you just earn while doing bug hunting in your skill set, right? Skills, right? Invest on skills, because nothing is more precious than your skills, right? In the world, what I have observed so far in my whole career, your greatest asset is your skill, right? Whatever you learn in your life will help you in your success, right? So just get bounties, right? Get bounties and invest those money in your skill set. And yeah, you will not investing everything in a skill set. Just take out some part, 10 or 20%. You can just do whatever you want for for motivation, for being motivated. And apart from that, what you can do, if you are able to find out any bugs, right? Even if you are not able to get any bounties, but yeah, you find out any bugs, they will acknowledge you, they will send you letter of appreciation, right? You can put or you can display those letters during your interview time. You can just mention your hall of fame in your resume, and that will give another level of you can say they will that will bring out your skill set in front of interviewer, right? He will definitely will select you based on that. And it actually happened with me. That's why I'm saying that even if you are applying for any job, right? Even if you are applying for pen testing, even if you are applying for business continuity, privacy, or anything, right? There are lots of field in cybersecurity. Even if you are applying for SOC, right? SOC team or forensics, if you have something related to bug hunting, that will absolutely that will bring out your skill set. Like, see, I have worked in that particular field also. I find out I found those bugs and I reported those bugs. They did they acknowledge my they acknowledge my uh, uh, their reporting part, everything. So that will definitely help you in getting job, right? That's the second point, right? And absolutely, money you are going to get with with knowledge also. You will get money, right? Now, okay. So if you are interested in startups, so definitely while doing bug hunting, you will get some amount of skill set. With that also, you will get money, right? You can invest those money in your particular field of interest, your business, right? Just invest those money in your business, right? So bug hunting can help you in that field, in that part also, right? Apart from that, you will learn so many things, right? Reporting part, your overall, you can say, reporting thing will also improve your communication, your confidence level. And let's say you are doing bug hunting, so you need to spend lots of time, right? Lots of time you are giving to bug hunting. You have to be more patient. You have to apply your full concentration, right? So that will automatically help you in your uh, in your overall growth, and ultimately you will become your right, you will bring out your better version of yourself at the end. So if you are interested in startup and business or entrepreneurship, definitely bug hunting will help you. And I know there are so many people, right? Even you people might be aware about, I'll not take anyone's name, but you might have seen so many people, they started their career bug hunter, right? They are having their own web on company, right? They are running their own company, multi-million dollar company, right? They are having their own institute. Somebody are having their pen testing company, right? Cybersecurity company. Yeah, people are giving names of those people. Yeah, you can see names of those people. Yeah. So at last, because after getting after getting acknowledgement, you become more famous, right? Suppose if you get acknowledgement from Microsoft, Google, right? That will tell you your competence level, right? So during business time, you can show that in your website. You can mention like, we got acknowledged, we acknowledge, we got acknowledgement from Google, Microsoft. We find out bugs in those websites. So ultimately that will help you in the long run, right? So that's the part. Now, here are some data records from from this or previous year. So if you can see in the first quarter here, so cybersecurity, this is how much top hackers are earning from bug bounty. So here you can see bug bounty millionaire, right? 9 individual hackers have now amassed 1 million in total bounty earned by hacker one. See, and for bug hunters in India, Apple has become new honeypot, right? Apple has paid total nearly about 110,000 lakh. Then see, 90 lakh, right? 90 lakh to three Indian security researcher, right? And coming to this page, 2020 hacker one paid out more than 100 million in bounties for first time. See, Lokesh, you can relate with this particular article. Lokesh Kumar read about famous uh, Facebook photo deleting bug. A security researcher had found that any public photo on Facebook could be randomly directed anyone. See, after 28 rejection, Lokesh hit the bullseye, right? He also got rejected so many times. 21st December 2020, hackers earned 2 million bug bounties. Google paid 6.7 million bug bounties reward in 2020, right? And the numbers and figures are rising day by day, right? Next can be you, right? Next article can be published on you. So just I wanna keep you motivated. That's why I just put those records, so that you can understand these